We could have watched 3 of those games. They should have been 3-1.
You have to have game one and game three. 75, 60, 71.